Hello and welcome back. Today in this lecture I want to go through installing Visual Studio Code. This is another IDE that you can use for creating C programs. This is geared more towards Mac user, as sometimes code blocks not properly work on Mac, so it's my recommended IDE to use for Mac user. But if you are a Windows user and you want to use Visual Studio Code, you can. Like CodeBlocks, it's a free integrated development environment that allow you to compile and run C programs. It's very easy to use and it's very easy to install. There is no restriction over using IDE, so you can use any, either CodeBlocks or Visual Studio. It's all up to you. If you are a Mac user, you could also use Xcode. There are lots of IDE used for C programming code. Visual Studio is just one of them. So let's go ahead and go through the procedure how we can download and install Visual Studio Code. First open your browser, whatever you are using. Then visit the page code.visualstudio.com. Once you visit the page, you notice the home page to download it. You just have to click on the download button in the upper right hand corner. Once you click on it, then you have to select the operating system on which you want to install it. As I said, I am recommending this for Mac user. So for Mac user, you would just install the Mac version. As I am using Windows, so I select Windows. It takes some time to download depending on your internet speed. After the downloading is finished, double click on the setup to install it on your PC. Then click on I accept the agreement. If you have time, you can go through it. I just click on the agree button. Then select the location where you want to install it. In my case, I let it default to C drive program files and then click on next button. Then select create a desktop icon if you want to direct run it from your desktop. Then press the next button and it started installing on your PC. After installing is finished, launch the Visual Studio. Now I am going to install the extension. You can go just around here to the left hand side and click on the extension. I am going to type CodeRunner. Actually, CodeRunner is again a very lightweight. Once you select that, you will notice it look like this and you can just click on install. Now you are able to run and compile C programs. One thing just keep in mind while saving the file, use the extension .c, which is what C files are saved with. Once I save it, I can start writing C code. So I just write a sample C code just to show you how to run it. You see the output here. Don't worry about this code. You don't need to know how it works. It was created just to show you how to use the editor. So that's all for this video. If you face problem while installing VS Code, let me know in the comment section and I can help you with that. Thank you.